Phi sai sen la kwa ban ai jing kai ha ne kan ti jo ka video jo ha lor kan ne ka ngara tho ne quadratic equations kamu yu kan quadratic equations kidi ki jet equation ki baton ya kan ka expression ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 u a ula bande no number u b ula bande no number u c ula bande no number hangin ya kan ka no samling kong shim a is equal to 2 b is equal to 3 c is equal to 1 te tho ne 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 kane ka quadratic equations kemawa quadratic equations kadai ax square u power la ne exponent jong do x u de ban long 2 hangne mi is tang 1 te kane fi 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation ngim nak kam ban yo ai tang du plus ila ban chim du minus 5x square minus 3x plus 10 is equal to 0 kane ko ne ka quadratic equation ladang ye pai pach kane ka de x plus 5x minus 1 ni ba hangne umdon uneu wa bu du kosmak umdon number hang to hor umdon power hang to di 1 taba bagim tho te umdai pat utu takada kane kamdai ka quadratic equation but lada ux une variable udan hapo square root ru kane kamna bandai ka variable nama lada when you know square root hane kami x half plus 3x minus 2 u power umna banlong 1 by 2 number 1 by 2 kalong 0.5 ti kane ru kamlong kam ka quadratic equation. Berbor di segmen kali geometric check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. Shua makan jam sakata phin ngan tho ngeru ladang idon x plus 1 by x plus 11 is equal to 0. Kane ngim tip kadai nundai ka quadratic equation. Tengin ya persamaan taban pa kane you have shim LCM ne di x into x kami x square plus x divided by x is 1 1 into 1 is 1 x into 11 kami 11x is equal to 0 kan mau wa uno x ladang multiply tayo ulong 0 niyo x square dan arrange hai kane naman dari 11x plus 1 is equal to 0 kane ka equation lari kane ka expression kama kane ru kadai ka quadratic equation. Kapag ba naman ako ang kling metric is 1 begini, but khynnah naman ladang ilong 1 by x p unyong x na hara sa luar kung bakalaki kayo po loss of basis ulong minus 1. Te uni runde quadratic equation. Hindray ladang ipek kung kini jeng kling 1 by x khynnah isa pun soy bet. But tho no wood it is not a quadratic equation. Kaya kabang hindi banle kalong hindi ban solve soy kani denominator LCM hangni unu x can rush x into 0 along 0 tinggi yo x square plus 11x plus 1 is equal to 0 which is a quadratic equation menta ngan rap ekane ngan hikai so kumno ban check lada kideki quadratic equation na m so an sim ko ga jingkali x minus 2 into x plus 3 is plus 1 is equal to 0 Rasio plus 1 is equal to 0. Yang check ni adalah kane kade quadratic equation or not. Te hangi ni gune di bracket multiply. Kuno multiply kane ni multiply une yung tay une uju yung tay tingin sa multiply 2 but yung 2. The x into x kami x square x into 3 kami 3x mentalawan so le minus 2 into x kami minus 2x minus plus is minus 2 into 3 is 6 Une dan plus 1 dan to plus 1 is equal to 0. Une kami x square, une 3x minus 2x nama kita x nila 3x minus 2x kami isang 1x minus 6 plus 1 kane kami minus 5 is equal to 0. Mi ba ya kane kan tawa x square plus tada don 1x ni tatang x minus 5 is equal to 0 but it is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Hangne a is equal to 1 number 1 1 b is equal to 1 whereas c hangnya number quadratic equations kadai ax square plus bx plus c phi baru kini positif te nak kata ini disha udah plus tu maha bracket in bono minus 5 kamu kini ka equation ka bagi ai kini ketika quadratic equation pet yang kini section pause ka video pet yang hidup satu sisyo ini apa baca search ka way ka nuksa ka bangin pet nada kita ki quadratic equations lani m sure ngidon hanging ngidon x plus 4 x minus 4 ngidon x plus 4 hanging ngidon x minus 4 is equal to x plus 2 is equal to x into x plus 2 plus 8 kani kadi ka basically to check whether this equation this expression lagi kini dipanggil ai ini is a quadratic equation or not temata ko mga phing and multiply 2 yung tay by yung tay nomor pa don bracket so x into x kami x square minus x into 4 kami 4x plus 4 into x kami 4x minus 4 into 4 kami 16 is equal to x into x kami x square x into 2 kami 2x plus 8 hi une minus 4x une plus 4x ya une in cancel no une x square nomor dara asne along x square minus x square along 0 ngira asa asta minus 16 is equal to 2x plus 8 te nganra no une pikwa la man ra 2x to ini ra 2x ini di plus da 1 sini kala minus 2x connect along pa minus 16 ini plus 8 da rasnya along minus 8 is equal to 0 termentang layo ano minus 2x minus 16 minus 8 kan kami kan no kami minus 24 is equal to 0 haning in same common to minus sign te minus 2 terlalong x plus 12 because minus 2 into x is minus 2x minus plus minus 2 to 12 is 24 unil minus 2 darah asli along 0 divided by minus 2 kami 0 nila sa astang x plus 12 is equal to 0 okay hangnya pan power jong ne udah 1 kemudian kini kamnai ka quadratic equation henry ka linear equation te tamut kini ka expression ka baay mene it is not a quadratic equation kena we semua apa bahaya kena nama tengah for exam pi sharp and show ban tho no yes it is a quadratic equation no it's not a quadratic equation pai bhakin they will solve show kena pai ya kena ka end result lada ungan square hane tamu it's not a quadratic equation wanum sharp and show hane ngang skam la so tho kena pai biar do postang ma phin do la shu ban so tho ngang skam phin la ban le kena lada pi tristo ma phi mina kubish